What's up? It's Jasmine. Welcome back to my channel. You may notice that my surroundings are a little bit different. You know, I'm not in my car. I'm not in my dorm room. I'm actually back home for the weekend visiting my mom. She had a surgery a little bit ago, and I just want to check in on her while I had this open weekend from school. But today we went shopping at Best Buy and Target and Office Depot and kind of got a little carried away. And you saw the title. So today we're doing an opening, an unboxing, or whatever you want to call it. And I'm so excited for this video. I have always wanted to film a video like this. You know, I'm really interested in technology. I'm just now getting my feet wet into this area, with my major being cybersecurity. I just bought my first MacBook. I did not do an unboxing for that. I wish I had done an unboxing for my MacBook. This year has been a lot of big girl purchases for me. Today is some more big girl purchases as we go through what I am opening. I'm gonna do another video when I get back on campus of how my new desk is gonna look, but I'm really excited for that. But I did wanna, you know, give these items their personal respect and show you guys what I got. So let's hop on into the video. I apologize for the background. If you are upset by the way that I'm doing this, subscribe, and then eventually once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll start getting paid for my videos, and then I can afford a new setup. But until then, don't worry about it. The first item we have is the Dell 27 monitor, and this model is the SE2719HR Dell 27-inch HD monitor. Monitors have really long names, okay? But this is what it looks like. I'm so excited. Two things. This is my first unboxing video, so forgive me for not using proper terminology or like going really into depth, because I don't quite know what I'm doing yet. But I do plan on making more unboxing videos if this one goes well. So. Oh my god. Okay. Why does it open like this? Okay. Oh, I didn't know I was supposed to open it like this. Oh, that makes so much sense. Okay, so I'm supposed to open it like this. I'm so dumb. Okay, so the first thing that comes out is the warranty and safety information packet, the HDMI cable, the power source, power outlet, most important piece. This is the stand. The battery? I don't know. What we've all been waiting for. My baby! I'm so excited! I'm so excited! Ah! Oh, it's kind of heavy. Oh my god. Oh. Ah. Okay. I'll put it on my shoulder and I will gently move the box out of the way. Look at how big it is! Ah! I'm so excited! Oh my gosh! This is the last piece. Now let's assemble it. Let's start with the stand, right? Because it won't be able to stand up without it. Oh, I'm gonna need screws. Why isn't it already ready to go out the box? This is the stand for sure. All right, so this is like this. Awesome, I know that. This is part of the stand. Oh, call me an engineer, baby girl. Call me an engineer. I'm having so much fun. This is like Christmas. Make sure it's extra tight. Funny thing is, I'm gonna have to disassemble or unassemble, I don't know the proper term, but you know what I mean, this whole setup, because I'm going back to school and I'm taking this with me back to school. But I was too excited to not put everything together before I left. So this is exactly what I wanted. And all of the my dream desk or desk setup videos that I've seen in the past week, which is like over 30, all of the people that I saw had a monitor that was like frameless, meaning the frame around it was basically invisible. And that's really what I wanted. Oh, look at it, look at it. Oh my, oh. This is about to make doing homework so much fun. Psych, homework will never be fun. This just slides on, I think. Oh, yes. I'm right. Oh! I'm an engineer! Maybe I should change my major from cyber. Alright, so this is the power source. And it just fits like a glove. Oh, I love that. I love that. And then the final piece is the HDMI cord. Oh, they make it so easy. Oh, yeah. It's literally the size of a TV. Oh my god. Oh. Power button. Is that you? I'm so excited. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Guys, you have no idea. You have no idea. The next thing I'm going to unbox is the Belkin USB to HDMI charge adapter. This is how I'm going to connect my MacBook to any HDMI cable. The first thing that comes out, the user manual, and then the man of the plan. This is what it looks like. Super simple. The simpler, the better. This is the HDMI cable, which is what our friend here goes into. Boop. Awesome. I'm gonna go get my MacBook. Ooh, everything's coming together. And I put that bad boy in there. Hello. Big summer blowout. Look. Okay, so now I've got two monitors. Look, okay, look. Okay, look. Oh, two monitors. Two monitors. Are you kidding? The next thing we are unboxing is the Magic Keyboard. What? This is from Apple. And if you know Apple, you know that they are extremely, I wouldn't say extremely overpriced, but I would say very pricey for a college student like me. Don't you just love Apple's packaging? Oh, the packaging never fails. It's so satisfying. There she is. You may be wondering, it's just a keyboard. It's just a keyboard. It's just a... No, it's not just a keyboard. It's the Apple Magic Keyboard in space gray, baby. Look at that. Oh. Everything else in the box, this is the, like, step-by-step manual, I guess, on how to set it up, which I'm going to need because I don't know how to set this up to my MacBook yet. And then this, I assume, is how I would charge the keyboard. It is a wireless keyboard, and it should automatically connect to my MacBook. Oh, I have a 1-year warranty. That's neat. Slide the keyboard on and off switch to on. So you see a green light on the switch, and your keyboard will pair automatically. After the keyboard is paired, you can disconnect the cable and use your keyboard wirelessly. And then, okay. It's connected. Okay, so let me test it out. I'll pull up a document. Listen to that. Oh, the next item is also another item that I have never unboxed before. The Apple Magic Mouse in Space Gray. The Space Gray costs $20 more than the white one, which is so crazy to me. But hey, here I am with the black one, so I'll pay the extra just this one time. Here she is. It's like a little soap bar. I'm so excited. It's called Magic Mouse 2, and that's it. It's the tiniest little mouse, the simplest little, most aesthetically pleasing mouse I've ever laid eyes on. It should be the same way. Let me see if it'll automatically connect. It's connected. Okay, let's see. It's moving. I need a mouse pad. So these ones are a little different, right? You may be wondering, where's a little scroll up, little scrolly knob thing? I do not know the term. There isn't one. And you just like would do like this to go up and down. And to click. Oh, so beautiful. It's everything I wanted. It's everything I wanted. The MacBook, the setup. If you want to purchase any of this, I will have them linked down below to where you can get them. But I am so happy with this purchase. Definitely a big girl purchase, but definitely one I didn't mind making. It's so beautiful. So what I plan on doing is I'm gonna dock this MacBook, you know, like have it elevated, make this a little more me, but I'm going for a minimalistic black space gray theme. If MacBook Pros came in black, I would have gotten all black, but the darkest I have is space gray, which still looks fantastic because the keyboard is also space gray, and you know, this is black, of course, but it goes really well. I really like how it came out. And the color scheme, it's pretty spot on. Like, they look pretty much the same. I was worried that this one wouldn't be as like saturated or have as much color as this one does, but it literally does. And it wasn't even that expensive, honestly. And look at the size. Like, it's humongous. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, item number 4 or 5 is the LG UHTV in the 55-inch 2020 new. It's the 55 UN70. 4K, quad-core processor, 4K.
It looked really great in the store. So
yeah, it did look pretty nice in the store. It's my first time unboxing a TV. Are you supposed to sit there and watch?
Did you need some assistance?
I need some help. Ah! Mom, what are you doing?
Pull the box.
There's 2 stands, the power outlet, and the remote in the user's manual. This is A and A.
Oh, my bad.
Right, just right in my eye.
What?
I can't see.
Oh. Do you want me to screw it
Do you want to screw it in?
in? Because you look like you're struggling. Hold the thing.
What did you fix?
What did you change?
Nothing at all.
Shouldn't you screw in this one first? Oh, where's that? Why is it loose?
Because I haven't screwed it in. Stop. Okay, now we gotta put it onto the stand. Did you already clean it off?
Yeah.
Why is this way lighter than the box?
Can you plug this in over there? Is there another? Oh, can you pass me that remote from over there?
So apparently you can pull up all these apps: Netflix, Prime,
Yeah.
YouTube, Hulu, Apple TV, Voodoo, Disney Plus. And you were freaking out over what?
Look.
Press the OK button on your remote.
Just move it over and hit the X. But Faith,
was looking at
Faith
the
is
thing.
technologically declined. Yeah. It's big. I feel like it's bigger. Maybe because just having a screen like that thick at the bottom. Thank you guys so much for coming along and watching this unboxing video with me. If you like these, I will be sure to do more. I really enjoyed it, so I'll probably be doing more regardless. I'm gonna go watch something on Netflix. I don't know. Maybe do my homework. Probably not, but hey, the possibilities are endless now that I have this really big 27-inch screen alongside my MacBook Pro. If you like this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more videos. I post videos every Sunday and Wednesday, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of those, and maybe even turn on your post notifications if you're feeling a little frisky. Make sure you subscribe because we're very close to 675 subscribers, and then after that we're really close to 700, and then after that more will come if I'm lucky. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in another new video. Bye!